Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about constructor function in JavaScript. So constructor function is alternate to object literal for creating multiple similar objects. So normally we use the literal to create object. Like an example, we can create the person object with the name and the age property. But the problem is here we cannot create multiple objects. So for this we can use this constructor function. So let's see the syntax of the constructor function. So to create one constructor function, first of all we have the function keyword and then the name of the constructor function. The name will always start with the capital letter and then it can take multiple parameters. So it will take the name and age, and then inside the constructor function we have to define the properties. So this dot name will be the name parameter and this dot age will be the age parameter. So here we have defined two properties, name and age, and their value will come from the parameter. Now to create one new instance of this object we have to use the new keyword. Like in example, we can create the p1 object. So we have to write new person, and here inside we have to pass the name and age of that person. So the name can be Sam and the age can be 20. And if we console log, so you can see we have this object p1 with the age and name. Similarly also we can create another object p2. So we have to write new person and the name can be Ram and the age can be 25. And if we console log, so you can see we have another object with the name and age. So here the person represents a type, so we can use the constructor function and we can create multiple object of this person type. And also the constructor function can have its own method. For this we have to write this dot get name. So this is the get name function that we are defining. So we have to define the function. So this function will just simply console log the name of that object. So now we can call that function. So we have to write p1 dot get name, and you can see we have the output. Similarly also we can use the p2 object to call a function and we will have the name of the person2 object also. So here the new keyword is very important while we are creating one instance of that person object. Now there can be situations where we forget to use a new keyword. In that case this will bind to the global object, so which can lead to multiple errors. So to fix that, ES6 introduced the new.target. This will prevent any accidental global binding. We can use that with the condition. So if we are not using the new keyword, then we're just gonna simply throw one error. So the error message will be please use new keyword. Because we are not using the new keyword, we have the error message please use new keyword. So when we accidentally forget to use the new keyword, it will throw this error message. Instead what we can do is we can return one new instance of the person object with the name and age parameters. Whenever we forget to use the new keyword, this if statement will trigger and it will use the new keyword for us. So we don't have to worry about the new keyword anymore. It will be taken care automatically with the new ES6 feature. So constructor function is very important concept. So this is the way we can create object by using the constructor function in JavaScript. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.